Welcome my friends to a new video in the world of mobile phones. I hope you are always well. In this video I will talk about the new Honor X6a phone from Honor in the economic price category. We will learn all the specifications and the price, so follow us to the end and let's get to the details. Date of announcement and issuance: July 28, 2023. Network and SIM card: 4G network and dual nano SIM. It supports the installation of a micro SD memory card. Design and dimensions: the length is 163.3 mm. Width 75.1 mm. The thickness is 8.4 mm. Weight 188 grams. The design is great and elegant and is the same as the Honor X6a. There is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Supports video editor, images, and documents. The player supports many audio and video file formats. It also supports fingerprint on the mobile side and face unlock. It supports accelerometer, convergence and gyroscope. It supports NFC in some markets. Screen: the 6.56-inch TFT LCD screen comes with HD Plus quality with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. It also supports a refresh rate of 90 Hz to make the screen responsive, and the pixel density is 269 pixels per inch. The ratio supports 16.7 million colors. It also supports night mode and eye protection mode. Software and hardware: Android OS version 13 with Magic UI 7.1. The phone officially supports Google Play services. MediaTek Helio G36 octa-core processor with 12 nanometers manufacturing technology. And the PowerVR G8320 graphics processor. RAM and memory: RAM is 4 or 6 GB, with 128 GB internal memory. You can add a microSD external memory card. Cameras: the front camera has a resolution of 5 MP with an f/2.2 aperture and supports shooting videos in full HD quality with a resolution of 1080p with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. As for the 3-lens camera, the first and main camera has a resolution of 50 MP with f/1.8 aperture. The second camera has a resolution of 2 MP for macro photography with an f/2.4 aperture. Finally, the third camera has a resolution of 2 megapixel and is a lens dedicated to isolation with an f/2.4 aperture. The rear cameras support HDR, panorama, and 1080p full HD video shooting with a capture rate of 30 frames per second, and support LED flash. Colors: the color is black, the color is green, and the gradient blue. Phone box contents: the phone, charger, USB Type-C cable, SIM card slot opening pin, case, a screen protector, Screen protector was put on the screen at the factory. Quick user guide. Voila! Priced $165. Very important note. The price may vary by an increase or decrease of 10% depending on the country or markets. In the end, if you like the video, don't skimp on our support. Like the video, follow us and play the bell to receive more everything new in the world of mobile phones. See you in a new video.